6 medium-size coconuts. Cost 1,000 naira. Crack open all coconuts. Some people drink coconut water. They believe it improves memory. You can research on that to be sure if it's true. Pull out of the hard shell. Wash thoroughly with only water. Cut in pieces and blend or grate. Blend very smooth. Keep blending. Pour into a bowl. Turn all into a strainer. Press tightly to extract all the goodness. Cover the bowl and leave overnight. Allow it to ferment overnight. After about 14 hours. See how it looks fermented. Scoop the foamy upper surface into a pot or pan. The water should be left at the bottom. Be careful not to scoop water. Cook on medium heat. Keep heating until all the water dries. When it's dry, the oil floats at the surface. I carefully turn the oil into another pan to reheat. Reheating remove all the water content. And now, 100% pure coconut oil is ready.